Hello, good morning everyone. Students, today I will teach you chapter 6 Nouns Number. Students, as we have number in maths, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, like that we have numbers in English grammar also. In English grammar, we have two types of number, that is singular and plural. If we have anything one, that is singular. If we have anything thing, any person, more than one, that is plural. So now let's start this chapter. A noun which refers to one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the singular form. Examples: boy, girl, cow, elephant, chair, table, country, park. Now next one. A noun which refers to more than one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the plural form. Examples: boys, girls, cows, elephants, chairs, tables, countries, parks. Now we will study how to form plurals, how to form singular noun into plural noun. Very first one is we simply add s. We simply add s to the singular noun to form plural. Examples: bat plus s, bats. Ball plus s, balls. Cow plus s, cows. We have many examples. In case of now, second one is in case of nouns ending in s, double s, sh, ch or x, we add es to the singular noun. If nouns ending with s, double s, sh, ch or x, we add es to the singular noun. Examples are given in your book. Bus plus es, buses. Glass plus es, glasses. Wish, wish. Like we have sh in the end of the sentence, so we add es and it will be wishes. Church, churches. Fox, foxes. You have to learn these all. And you have exceptions are there, such as ox. If you have ox, at the end of ox you have x, but you have to not add es. You have to write ox, auction. Plural of ox will be auction. Now third point is in case of nouns ending in o, we add es. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Hero, heroes. However, again we have exceptions. Photos is the plural of photo and radio is the plural of radio. In photo, photos. Radio, radios. Again we have exceptions. Now next, when nouns end in f or fe, we change the f or fe into ves. If nouns ending in f or fe, we simply change f or fe into ves. Examples: leaf, leaf, leaf. It will be leaves. Calf, calves. half, half. It will be halves. Life, lives. Now again you have exception. Chief, 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 chiefs. Hoof, hoofs. Roof, roofs. Proof, proofs. When nouns end in consonant plus y, we change y to ies. If we have noun ending in consonant plus y, if we have noun ending with y and just before y we have consonant, we change y into ies. Examples: army, 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 and plural will be armies. Before y we have m and that is consonant, so it will be armies. And avy, navy, navies. Body, bodies. Baby, babies. Again baby, See, baby end with Y, but just before Y we have B, and this is consonant, so we write babies. Now when noun end in vowels plus Y, here example is consonant plus Y, but in the next point we have vowels plus Y. If we have noun vowel plus Y, we add S to the singular nouns. Boy, see, boy, B-O-Y, Y, and just before Y we have O, that is vowel, so we add S. Boys, toys, monkeys, valleys. Now next point. There are in the next page you have exercise A that you have to do yourself. Now next, come to the next point. There are nouns which do not follow any of these rules. We have many nouns which do not follow these rules. Some of these nouns form plurals by adding suffixes other than s or es. We add simply suffixes. We do not add s or es. Children. This is the plural of child. Auction, as I taught in the previous page, auction is the plural of ox. Some of these nouns form plurals by changing a single letter or several letters of the singular form. Foot, feet. We simply F-O-O-T, foot. This is the singular, and in the plural form we change double O into double E. Tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, woman, woman. So again we have, there are some nouns which do not change in their plural form. Sheep, deer, fish. These all are remain same in singular and plural. So to know whether the word is being used as a singular or plural noun, we have to understand the sentence. The child wanted to see a deer. And second one is, when he went to the zoo, he saw many deer. The child wanted to see a deer means that child wanted to see only one deer, means one. And when we went to the zoo, we saw many deer. Many means more than one, so it is plural. Several sheep were grazing in the field. Several means again more than one, so it is, this sentence is in plural. And a sheep was black in color. Again a sheep. There was a sheep which is black in color. Now third. Third one is, we saw many colorful fish in the aquarium. We saw here many colorful fish. Means many means again more than one. So this sentence is in plural. Popo was a fish who went on an adventure. Here is the name. Popo was a fish and who went on an adventure. So here it is written here a fish. So it is a singular sentence. But sometimes we use fishes also. We saw many kinds of fishes in the pond. Here fishes suggest different variety of fish. Means here in the pond there were many varieties of fish. Now similarly, fruit is used in the singular. But if we say fruits, that it means there are many varieties of fruits. We use different types of fruits are available in the winter. Now there are some nouns which have only plural form. We have some nouns which have only plural forms. That is trousers, spectacles, jeans, scissors and cloths. The trousers do not fit you. Scissors are sharp. The clothes are bought from Jaipur. So these trousers, spectacles, jeans, scissors, cloths do not will is always in plural form. Like this, we have some nouns that is only in singular form. There are some nouns which have only singular forms, that is furniture, news and information. The furniture was bought from this store. This information is very valuable for the students. And now you have exercises B, C, T. This I will update in the campus care. So stay safe and be happy in your home.